Tubekun Nambatan, Tegana Shin, and Quendekage, and Lamada, Givishin Namba, and Tegana Shin, and Gizun, Nasum, Nambatan, and Chushu, Pomo, Teden, Namba Tangmala, and Toma Ye, and Ning Tabane, and Gagu, Iran, and Patu Mebenga, and Tangmala, some Drestele, Shugi.
First of all, I would like to, with a very genuine and joyful heart, would like to extend warm greetings or touch the legs to Venerable Tulkus and learned masters, and as well as distinguished the guests and the Dharma friends gathered from all around the world.
Ane ngale na ane dujite me ngata ane pal kewe mongbo kama ba gintile wangi to choge ane jamgun kongro rimjengi ane jede ane gi tuzan zego tela ane ngege ane lama jambe gi ti je ane ma mangzo yong la shena yawo yong sa res ka na wa nashi chida ane ngarangi ane nyamnyong thone re ane tega nashi ane sheze da kanji chide thone ane sheda geba ji shudwe mindude yinaya ane lama kongma namgi ane tendre la tsa shimbo zi nangi yoban tar tenge tendre chunje tsamshido ane jitub kangdubshi ane shuwe bezu chegi.
Last year, along the line of the celebrating the remembrance of the Jamgun Kongtul lineage, and His Holiness the Gyalwang Karmapa had commanded or asked me to speak on the calling the Lama from afar by Jamgun Kongtul Lodrothai, given my young age, and as well as I don't regard myself being up to the level of being able to teach, nevertheless, in respect of the tradition of celebrating auspicious coincidence. And so in that spirit, as much as I can, or as best as I can, I would like to share the words along this line of the topic.
Chirda ane nganzo ane thekwa chenpo ane chegi chawa kanda shenaya ane thambasumgi ane tsi suyongo bade ane lama kongman namgi ane nende chenpe nga ane sung yobare.
So in general, in teaching the Dharma, the importance of so-called the three principles is emphasized by all great masters.
Ta thambasum de ane kare shubaina ane thoma jowa semji ki thamba bardo ane ngushi mimi ki thamba 아니 주감 타마 ngoe 담바세 아니 담바숨 아니 대도 임바레.
So these three supreme or the three principles being that first principle of the noble aspiration, and the second principle of the focus on the main practice, and the third principle of the principle of dedication.
대나네 아니 당보 통마람 조와 심기기 담바세바디 지다 아니 가조 레다 자와 갈레체나야 꿀룽데 아니 게좀 시라레 아니 꿀룽라 아니 꿀룽 상본 망보 여레데 렉나바 담이 나소 여레데 이나야 상본 나네 상쇼 쇼도 줘바데 아니 장주기 셈 대더버 임바레.
So now, speaking about generating the proper motivation, and that is the proper aspiration, while in anything and everything we undertake, of course, the motivation has a very important sort of steering role. And now, with regard to Dharma practice, while there are many motivations, many kind of motivations or aspiration that can be regarded as good aspirations, but among them the most supreme and the most profound of all of the motivation is the inclination of the altruistic, encompassing altruistic heart of bodhicitta.
Tatay Gadaya Arhate Samya Sambuddhaya Tetyata Kalpe Kalpe Mai Kalpe Kalpe Pari Shotani Soha Katre Lonsi Bere Nambarai Zöche namne shingde lansoi je reme tembe yönden gyazö dire lödö tayi shadu chöbai mu.
Number 2 남시 사오 도지된 남시 사오든 안에 찹사 쇠지체는 단도델레 차 주고 다마 장주기 셈세데 지단 안에 꿀론 장주기 셈세데 안에 간데르 슈바이나 안에 마준 남게 타다냠베 안에 셈젠 탐제 코에 동안 야조 첨볼레 잘데 Nyurdo ane lame ki sala gobar cha tei chedo ane lam samo ane lame naju ki rimbala ane thesam gomsum ane giwo nyambe ane kulung ane teta boja ane kegwa de ane kechum cha digdos.
So now when we talk about generating the most supreme and the most profound of all motivation, that is the sort of the two-pronged motivation of bodhicitta. That is considering the all sentient beings, the oceans of sentient beings are afflicted with suffering, and to want to benefit all such beings. And also to bring about the realization of the perfect enlightenment of all sentient beings. So this twofold motivation, and so here in the listening to teaching, whether we are engaging in the learning of the teachings, reflection on the teachings, or actual engagement of the practice of teachings related specifically to that of the calling the Lama from afar, that we are going to do so towards this particular end.
다 대더버 아니 꿀롱기 chanju semde 아니 남바조 아니 단당예 마 라마 장부 의시 마 아니 대시 갑디 아니 꿀롱 대더버지 케메 권에 아니 세로지 쉬야지다 되네 녜기야 되네 꿀롱 대더버지 아니 케르트베 아니 베제 강 마마 지기 캐난소기야 데 꿀롱 대더버지 아니 나외 아니 베제 나로 나 쉬기.
So, before going into the main teaching, I'd like to encourage you to cultivate or to invoke this kind of motivation in your mind, and I myself also will generate the same motivation to the best of my ability.
다 담바숨 나네 당보데 다 쉬자 다 니바 아니 응시 미미기 담바스 다 대갑소 다 응시 날라마 장베 아니 마셰 치지다 녜칸 지투 칸도 쉬기 대나라야 아니 녜 아니 라마 장베기 드시디 아니 대세 시고네 아니 쉬나 텐조.
So now coming to the second principle of the main focus on the main practice, and so in this I feel that the Lama Gyangbo, calling the Lama from afar, can be outlined in 4 different phases or categories.
다 안에 당보디 안에 라마 장베세 디첸 코랑기 다시지 안에 쉬나 진중 다 당보 라마 세디 남바 창메기 다 망보 센사 유지레 지다 라 세디 다 투몽기 셰즈원도 제바이나 안에 라 세디 안에 연대 상게의 냠베나 라세 셰바레 마세디 안에 까딘 상게레 하베나 마세 라마세디 다 다시 대답이지 아니 임바레.
So among the 4 points or the 4 stages to this explanations, first one I feel is to explain the name of this particular practice, that is calling the Lama from afar, or Lama Gyangbo. So to explain the sort of literal meaning or sort of word meaning of the Lama Gyangbo. And so this way, the word beginning with Lama, which I would understand all of you are familiar with, and nevertheless, that meaning lies being with regard to in terms of the qualities or realization equaling that of the Buddhas, and in terms of the embracing of all beings with unconditional compassion like that of a mother. So in this way, Lama.
다 라마스 장베 세드다 장 세드다 장타 링보 세 장 세드 임바레 대갑게 아니 장 세드다 치다 타 링보 세드 아니 뒤다 아니 네기 토네 아니 장타 라마다 랑니 아니 장타 링보 아니 셰기 조 셰기 메바 임바레 대갑기 아니 장타 세드 장타 링보디 아니 치다 조 맞아 셈기 내단기 차네 라마다 랑니 아니 장다 링보 예 아니 출 셰기여 버렸어.
So the next word in Tibetan, Gyang afar, like speaking in terms of distance. So normally when we talking about afar or distance, it can be associated with place and time, and that being far away in terms of place or that of in terms of time. But here, I don't think the reference is more along those lines, but more specifically along the line to do with the sort of the distance between one's mind and that of the Lama's mind in connection with that.
다 대인도 아니 셈기 내단기 차네 아니 장타 ringwe 아니 출라야 니여래 니디 아니 가래 아니 슈바이나 내룩다 아니 낭출기 차네 아니 장타 ringwe 아니 출 니여버래.
So, with regard to speaking in terms of distance here, with regard to the mind, that there is maybe two sort of points of consideration. One is from the point of view of the nature, that is from the point of view nature of mind, and another from the point of view of relative appearance.
내룩기 차네 아니 장타 ringbo 매바임바래 디 김생 가이 슈바이나 라메 툭다 아니 랑기 셈니 아니 내룩기 차네 아니 랑싱 남다임발라 아니 상행기 아니 케바르 매바래 다 낭술기 차네 다 내룩기 차네 아니 장타 ring보 매바 대임바래 다 내술기 차네 아니 장타 ring보 간데르세나 내술라 아니 라마콘 아니 상계인바다 아니 다 꾸체외 연된소 아니 유라 충자바래 내술라 아니 간조 내술라 아니 연된데서 가야 유라 게메바 인디 내수기 차네 아니 장다링보 임바디 솔디 아니 셰토그레스.
So from the point of view of the essential nature of the mind of the Lama and that one's own mind, that essentially there is no distance. In that the realized nature of the Lama's mind and the potential nature of our mind is from the point of view of inherent goodness or inherent purity is the same. But nevertheless, as far as the relative experience of the mind is concerned, then that is where the difference is. In the case of the Lama's experience of the enlightened outlook, that it is an outlook of omniscience, that is an outlook of that completely endowed with all enlightened qualities. On the other hand, the relative reality, the relative outlook of our mind is on the contrary and full of deficiencies and limitations as such.
대인자다 내룩라 라메 툭다 아니 랑기 셈니 랑신남다 임발라 아니 상니 케바르메비 깽기 아니 라메라 아니 진랍 솔데 주바이나 아니 진랍 죽투바레 진랍 죽투 뉴르보 죽투바레스 내출라 아니 라메 툭다 랑기 셈니 찍바이나 아니 진랍 슈고 말에 진랍 나오로 장서 비고 저거만 가르스나 라마다 랑기 셈니 내룩라 찍바이 마세 낭술라야 찍바 차디고 대인비 좀살라 때네 비고 소데 소와 데고 말레스.
Now, because of the fact that the essential nature of the Lama's mind and one's own mind is the same, and therefore, when we invoke for the blessings of the Lama, that there is a possibility to be affected by the blessings of the Lama because of the fundamentally equal nature of the mind. Nevertheless, that if in appearance the Lama's mind and our mind, that is in relative outlook, is the same, then if it is the same, there would be no need to supplicate for blessings. There would be no need to supplicate for inspiration, simply because we are having the same reality of the relative outlook.
다 대답은 아니 장다 ringwe 아니 출세디 내룩라 지관이마 낭출라 아니 장다 ring보 여바 셰베 토네 네 라마 장베 세데 다 장다 ringwe 출디 대임바레 다 카시기 아니 야 다 제메 서라지레 이나야 대기 톤에 아니 연대야 지 라그레 정기도 카시게 갈라기도 가래 셰기도 sana 딩사 안에 라마 양베스다 라마 양다 링본에 베고에 김세 요마레스 가인스나 데네 카바 타야다 딩사 안에 차게 야보제 남드나 파도 라마 응어스 꾹응어스 제투레스 인지민지 양다 링본에 베고 마레스잉에 가시게 되도 안에 셰기에 살에 다디 응원에 셰디게 안에 다가스다 게몰란디게 텐데민도 이나야 대기 안에 연대시 가르던 것도 sana 장다릉보 세디 장다릉보 대마레 지단 장다릉보 텔라 고도에 퇴 예배 안에 겐지 땡겨 여바레
So, because of the fact that essentially the nature of our mind and that of the Lama's mind are the same, therefore it makes sense to invoke for the blessings. At the same time, there is relative distance in terms of that the outlook. Therefore, also it is important sort of to close this gap. That there is need for the invocation of the blessings. And so in this way, it should be understood in the light of this thing about distance or calling from afar is to do with where sort of the mind is at. And these days, probably more along the line of sort of just jokes. Sometimes I've heard sort of words being passed around. These days, actually, it's not necessary to do calling the Lama from afar, sort of from far away. This idea of calling the Lama from afar, because living in the sort of modern age of technology that we live in, we can immediately call the Lama or whoever on the phone, and we can take very fast plane trips, and that in a matter of short time you would be in the physical presence of the Lama, and so there is actually no need to engage in this ritual of calling the Lama from afar. So if it is meant to be simply a joke, of course, then that's a thing. But if there is some meaning that is attached to it, probably that is not in line with what is being taught.
다데르바 안에 장다르미 출세데 다시 장세데 다시 딘바르 다 베세데 데르바 안에 장다르링베 안에 초나 예베 토네 안에 솔뎁 가레 베세데 솔뎁데 베바스 다 베세데 다시 딘바르.
So now with the sense of the understanding of sort of distance, the gap that needs to be sort of closed. And so in order to close this gap or this distance, then the next word is to call, sort of to, in a way, express the words of agony. And so what does this calling, the word calling on Be means?
지단데 예 가르섬도 세나 아니 먼저 솔뎁 제라 아니 먼저 아니 지단 아니 먼저 유숨 아니 예바르도 참고래 정기도 유숨디 가르 슈바이나 다 찍디 아니 장다링웨 아니 출디레 셰과디 개좀버레 출단도니 개좀버레 정기도 디카이 슈바이나 찍디 소소라 아니 둥알당 강알 예베 촌낭지 아니 찍제 아니 니베 토데라 아니 캡 코나 아니 라마임비 이제제 데 숨바디 캡 데르 라마 데디 아니 랑니다 장다링웨 초나 데르 아니 숨베 토네 아니 솔데 데나 아니 코 아니 펜바 체와 아니 된다 체와 펜 체와 요소를 정기도.
So thus in supplicating to the Lama, or this idea of calling and out to the Lama, that in order to do that, I feel that three particular points must be born in one's mind, and that is sort of born or be present in mind. The first one being that there is this sense of distance that in terms of the gap that needs to be closed, and that there is an awareness of suffering, afflictions that one is experiencing, and there is the awareness of the need for protection and the refuge, and that the kind Lama to whom one is supplicating can sort of bring about the resolution to this experience of suffering. So in that way, bearing this point in mind, supplicating or calling forth would produce effectiveness.
Peshana Kandre Shivana Chiba Chunjunjigi and Amala Amasa the Gembe Majawe Narulto Ane Same Kesari Chita and Chibadi Semla Sosolo Dungal da Kangali with Sonaje Jab Kona and Maimbe and Ijeje Ane Jab Mateda Rani Janda Ringbo with Sona Tesumbo Gone then Amasa the Gembe Chigro. Then Nashing and Zuigia and Sonang Sumbe Tone Lama said the soldier Lama Keno said the Berbaina, the soldier the Masumbaina, then a parent chair, the Kondushuban, parent chair, and then that chair is Tengidos, the better Janish, this and call Lelha. Yes, sure.
So, along this line, I think of an example where, for instance, an infant that or baby, when before one sort of calls out to one's mother, calling mother, before that one thing that obvious is that the child is in some state of pain or suffering, and that there is a need for something. And so therefore that the mother, one needs to call one's mother. So in this way, that what we can sort of pick up on it is that there is an experience of suffering, and there is a need for intervention or protection, and that being able to receive the benefit of sort of the immediate presence of the mother, that whatever suffering can be alleviated. So for this reason that one cries out to the mother. So in that same spirit, if one sort of cries out to or call forth the Lama, that the purpose in mind that it could be beneficial.
That Lama Jangbe Sage and the Saint Dashidi and the Shusaware. Chita da Lama Jangbe said and the Saint Korangi and Juji Tuenla and Koa Yabuji and Ketuba Ina. Then Lama Jangbe Nyamle Une, da Kone and Shuba Une Shubardo, Juji Tuen Chasa and Poto Kentugi about Tainza and Juji and Lama Jangbe Mingla. Send the Lama Jangbe said send the la and Kohan Nalmachke Guadi and Kejumores.
So thus this brief explanation on the name of the practice, and that is Lama Jangbe. And I feel that the what follows, that is the practice of the Lama Jangbe, is actually built in the name. And so if one pays attention to the name and has grasped the meaning of the name, and then what follows is sort of supported by the very clear understanding of the name of this particular practice.
That Lama Jangbe said the dish did a wimber. Then it Tunse and anybody to you go watch 투규 고와 다 투규 고와 데 안에 다 라마 잠베기 슝고라나 다 시바 있나 라마 켄노 진진 자외 라마 켄노 두숨 상계기 고 세바네마 안에 체직 상계 주버 제직 세베 바르도 안에 투규 고와 라메 투규 고와 안에 임바레스
So the next point is sort of the second phase is concerning invoking the enlightened mind of the Lama. That is invoking the perfect mind of the Lama. And so beginning from, those of you who have the text, beginning from page 4, where it says Lama Keno, and all the way through to page 30, where it ends with and bring us to complete awakening in this very lifetime. So all of this, from this page 4 to page 30, is in connection with invoking the blessings, and that's invoking the enlightened qualities of the Lama's mind.
지다 안에 다 차상 안에 슈드에기 두제레 대가나신 아랑기 시제토니야 시다 슈 톱사 마레데 이나야 다데나네 안에 더 페드로다 직마 슈샤나 데네 차상라 데네 직과 라마다 안에 또 연된다 데네야 고바 안에 개발 여레 마도 조단데 안에 직과레스
So that obviously, firstly, as I was telling you earlier, that while I may not be able to go through any detailed explanations, and of course, I'm constrained, but among this, I will explain one point as an example. The rest of all what follows is essentially the same, except sort of a difference in matter of angle in which the same issue is addressed.
다 직제 타마데 진진 자외 라마케노 지죽 대체 네네 식시 랑리 추구 랑샤잔 세지 상계 주버 죄제 샤바데 슈베슈바이나 다 진진 자외 라마케노스 다 베바 지죽 대제론네 안 시그로나스 sigне ane rangni ane tsejik sangye drubar zero nas deya lama khegya ane dedo ane kuse chigla sangye badi ane gyume kemele maimba gyu ane rangi semgi chuni ngotrebal tene sangye ba yinza rangni kya ane semgi chuni ngotrebal tene ane sangye war zero nas da bugu ane solde didawor 다 차상라 라마 다 아니야 연대 다 고반 개발 요래 마도 이나 조당디 아니 직발에스 챙기도
So, for instance, the last verse on page 30, look upon us from the crown of our head, the abode of great bliss. Let us meet the face of the Dharmakaya, natural awareness, and bring us to complete awakening in this very lifetime. And so, in this way, that the way this is presented is that actually when you write, there is a particular way it flows better in terms of the order, but when you explain, that order can change. And so in this way, So one is addressing to the one's kind Lama and to actually look upon us and from above the crown of then in this way that requesting to merge with the enlightened mind of the Lama or Dharmakaya, natural awareness, and so that in this way that complete awakening could be experienced. And all the others also actually follow along the same spirit.
다데 된데 임바레 다 니바디 숨바디 아니 되된소 깨마 다데 심질링에 딕도제네 마 아니 체지 상게드버 아니 징길 롭세 바르도 아니 되된 소와레 대가부고 다 강게 아니 체지 상게드버 징길 라브나세 다 되된 소와 임바레 다 대더부 아니 되된 소와 된야 다 빼더부 빼다 잔이 슈베이나 아니 공도 슈바나시 부조 되게 아니 천왕 숨베 토네 아마세디 아니 겜베 제네 되네 아말라다 갈라다 오마테로 제 샤다 되네야 꺄로 제라다 소 코랑기 되베 되야 소와나시 내가 저기야 아니 천왕 대 숨베 토네 라마라 아니 다 다주냐 거 유라께 징길라브나 세다 치와 미다와 저마 마임 버지 줄라게 워 징글로 세바 대나신 안에 되된 소와 임바레
So the third point is concerning the supplicating towards the fulfillment of one's wishes, and that begins from page 31. Alas, beings like ourselves with negative karma and so on, until the end of page 54, and this bless us that we achieve enlightenment in a single lifetime. So this is supplicating towards the fulfillment of requesting for blessings, or supplicating towards the fulfillment of our earnest wishes. And now here, as mentioned earlier, that bearing in mind that one's sort of own situation, in the case of, again, the example of the baby or the infant, and that prior to calling for one's mother, there is a situation of need, of some suffering, whether need for the milk of the mother, whether need for the attention of the mother, and to sort of give one the experience of attention. So that in mind, and sort of in that vein, and now when we are supplicating that we have a definite wishes that we want to fulfilled, be it to have a complete understanding about the precious existence of our precious human existence, or be it with regard to actually have a profound understanding about the reality of impermanence and so on. So in this way, that there being a genuine wish to have these wishes fulfilled, thus making the aspirations.
Tadi ane deden soa imbare tegabgi ane shwe chila ane tegabgi da chilab naro na taju nyeka wa gyula jewa chingi labro na chilab se da tsik mangbo tengi yoba imbare tegabgi ane da chilab se de la ane ya korti shuna tenson ane chilab se de chida ane chilab la ye na ane shi yobare shi di ane kare shuba ina 아니 랑신 슈기 투제 딱바 윤기 투제 꿀싱 솔베 툴제 둘자 둘라바베 투제 세데다 칠랍 렉 넘버 마드라와 시여바레.
So, thus, each sort of wish or desire, one supplicate for fulfillment of that through the blessings of the Lama. Grant blessing for this and grant blessing for that. So, since here the central piece sort of is being blessing, and so in talking about blessing, in general, I understand there is 4 kinds of blessing. That is the blessing or the sort of the compassion of great natural strength, the blessing of the compassion that is continuous, and the invoked blessings, or and the 4th one is the timely ripening of blessings.
당분이디 아니 랑시 슈기 투제다 딱바 윤기 투제 세디 아니 투제다 칠랍 드릅술기 고네 아니 송바임바레 타마니디 아니 꿀싱 소베 투제다 둘제 딜라바베 투제 세디 아니 투제다 칠랍디 로말라 죽술기 고네 아니 송바레.
So the first 2, which is the blessing of the natural strength, so-called, and also the blessing of continuum or continuous blessing, that is from the point of view of how the kind Lama is endowed with these qualities of blessings. And the second 2, which is the blessing of the time of ripening whatever fortunate beings, and invoked blessing, and this is concerning how that the blessing can sort of enter into our being, or how the blessing can actually take into effect within ourselves.
다 당모 안에 랑신 슈기 투제 세디 간데 슈바나 라마 드릅잠네 라메 투제데 질랍데 아니 예바레 뺀나 간데 슈바이나 니마 예잠네 아니 니메 웨셀 예반 딸 라마 드릅자네 라메 투제데 질랍 예바레 니마 예 웨세 메바데 아니 중 미시바레 대딸 라마 예 라메 질랍 윤도 아니 미주바 미시바레스.
So, firstly, concerning about the so-called the natural sort of blessing of natural strength, the compassion or the great compassion of natural strength, this has to be understood. It does not mean that the Lama only has blessings when one sort of request or invoked for the blessings. The Lama's blessings, they are present, the sort of in the enlightened mind of the Lama, just as that the rays of the sun, the radiance of the brilliance of the sun is present with the sun. It doesn't have, it's not like first the sun and then we have to kind of build in the radiance or the brilliance of the sun into it. So in this way, the blessing of the natural strength.
다랑신 슈기 투제 세디 니바 안에 딱바 균기 투제 세디 대더보 안에 라메 투제의 질랍데 안에 참잠메 바라오 안에 마레 안에 라마 예잠네 투제 열에 대 투제 대야 안에 딱바 균기 투제세 추 윤달 안에 마체바 yobare.
So then the second one is the compassionate blessing of the Lama has the truth of continuous, spontaneously and continuously present, that is uninterruptedly present. It's not that sometimes there's blessing, sometimes there's no blessing, and so therefore not sort of totally reliable, but the blessing of the enlightened mind of the Lama is continuous, and it's a very sort of coarse relative example is as continuous as the flow of the river.
Te da lame ngone thuje da chelap tupsu ko ne an shujawar da sumba ane dulja thila babe thuje se di ngebar do ane da lame thuje de chelap ye yang rangi da kul magoa ane thila babe chena ane makul yang ane chelap ane jubade ane dulje thila babe thuje se ba di imbare the Peshana Pena Kandeta Shubaina and Soma Tewa Tabu and me Gubja Gubju Kugu Sebe and Sene and Tama Rangigi Amasewala and Jorwe Nekabla and Rangshingi and Sema Tewagi Magulia and Tambasangi Chumne Mus de Pemne and Dua Dujena Kung Duadi. ane duje thula babe thukje seba ta peshana pesen deta buche ane imbares thula babe chena makul yang ane thukje de chelap jubadi duje thula babe thukje seba.
So those two being how the enlightened Lama is endowed with blessings, and now among the next two as to how one the blessing enters one's beings, or one receives the blessings, and there being two. The first one is the blessing that occurs as a result of the time has come for the ripening of beings, whatever beings to be tamed, beings to be benefited. One such example might be that of the story of Angumala, and where he has taken the life of 999 individuals, and the last one sort of left, or whose life to be taken was that of his mother. And at that time, the Buddha appeared to him, and so in this way, that this is not because he has invoked the Buddha, in talking about invoking the blessings of the presence of the Buddha, but because of the time of ripening or taming the individuals have come, and so in this way, even without having invoked, the one received the blessings or the presence of the Buddha.
Ta tamadi ane kulsing sowe thukje se de imbare de namjun da lama jangbe sungdu ane ngazo tegara lama la ane chilap naro na se kulma shya da solde choya de ane tegara re kulsing sowe thukje se de ane tere nambe sangme ane cancer.
So the key point here, actually, in the Lama Gyangbo, calling the Lama from afar, is the fourth point, the blessings received through invocation, through supplication, and so whatever are different prayers of supplication we do to invoke the blessings of the Lama, and which becomes the vehicle for receiving the blessings of the Lama. So the blessings of invocation.
Da de inza da chilab se da kor da namsha do ane shu chawa yin ane te gab da 소지 아니 샤라 아니 까담베 라만남기 가르송어서나 아니 질랍기 람 아니 솔데비인스 송바레 아니 질랍 아니 죽바르제베 람디 아니 솔데 임바레 데인자 아니 솔데 아니 제베 깝수 아니 다이 공도 슈바나시 아니 톡삼 셰네 난고야디 아니 게좀 시라차데고레 마세 아니 질랍기 람 솔데 질랍기 짜와 무규기 갈보 라마 상게 통화인시 아니 송바tar 아니 질랍기 람 아니 솔데 데 아니 질랍기 람도 아니 유르마주르데 아니 무규를 라레기 여바레 무규 망보 여레데 이나야 무규 나 상셰데 무규 갈보데 무규 갈보 라마 상게 통화인시 수바나 타부 아니 라니기 짜웨 라마데 아니 상게 등오 예르메도 아니 임버 셰베 다가스 몽데기 짬마 임버 줌제 양다바토 셰베 토네 아니 솔데 균도 아니 굴신 소웨 솔데 세바tar 솔데 균도 아니 제고야디 아니 게좀시라 차디도스.
So this is briefly concerning the different aspects of blessings or how one might be able to accomplish such. So one important point along this line is one thing is should be obvious is that when we do the devotional supplications that it has to be with the utmost sincerity and genuineness, and as the great Kadampa masters have said that the supplication is the path to blessings, and the devotion is the root of blessings. So in this way, that when we supplicate, we must do it with all sort of the sincerity and genuineness, so that it serves as a path to the blessings, and sort of going through the path of the blessings, but the actual cause of the blessing being that of devotion, the sort of the root of the blessings is devotion, and so therefore we need to cultivate or give rise to genuine devotion. And within devotion also there are many sort of aspects or degrees of devotion. And it is said that among devotion, the most sort of supreme of all devotion is to have the pure outlook, or to see the Lama as the Buddha, and unquestionably. So in this way that we are to be encouraged that we give rise to this kind of devotion and genuine supplication, and recognizing that the root of the receiving the blessings is that of devotion.
다 안에 응시 안에 되제 시 나네 안 되제 숨바데 다 쉬사바 레 안다 되제 안에 타마데 안에 투이 찍도 세바드레 데 안에 타마 안에 체가 안에 시데 소와드스 라마rum부지 동에버도 진지 최기지 까메 달러에서 켈레미 투이 예메 드버 징겔로 세야디다 직제 안에 시디게 안에 땡겨요 버려.
So that's a brief explanation on the third point of view of the supplicating towards the fulfillment of one's wishes. And the fourth, sort of the last point, is concerning how to mix or blend one's mind with that of the Lama. And so that the last verse of the Lama Gyangpo on page 54, and the words translation here reads, "We supplicate you, precious Lama, kind one, Lord of Dharma, we call out to you with longing. For us unworthy ones, you are the only hope. bless us that our minds blend with yours.
다데 아니 디셰 마 쉬바이나 치타 아니 마좀 마 티디 아니 코랑기 다 제 대와 따그르 마도 아니 텐다 고 라와 따그 마레 단다 마게 마시디 아니 텐다 아니 고 라웨 체도 아니 체카시 야마 투긴 데 칸데레 쉬바이나 아니 틴진 최기제 라마 rumbuches 동웨 베데 소와 답긴스 아니 투 소와 뎀네 가 투이 에메 데버 칭게 라브로나스 줌제 아니 칼메 달라 레사 켈레메스 아니 칼바 멤버 다 tomba sange chumnende ane ngos shu yenjang shal jemetuba ane sung thoya meba inaya ane tusum sange thamjege ane chigdu debe rangsu ane rangi lama yimbe chena ane kaba member dala resa da tesa lama khele mebe jumjala tene ane lame thukda rangi semni yeme driver chinge labrona se da chiga thamashi ge dishe dedabu yimbare 다 라마 장변난에 망보 열에디 이나야 다 개치슈에디 안에 제가 타마시디 이말에 안 단다 건도슈버 대와 데셰 학점 안에 슈바디 안에 남주 안에 냠레 나운디 안에 고아 약보지께베 토네 안에 나로나 슈기
The last verse in connection with blending or mixing one's mind with that of Lama's mind, as said also earlier, that sometimes it's in writing, it's better to be written in a particular way, and then explaining the orders can be changed. So here, actually, in terms of pointing out the meaning, it might be best to say that the kind Lama and Lord of Dharma, and so we call out to you with the longing, and we we supplicate you, precious Lama, and bless us that our minds blend with yours, because for us unworthy ones, you are the only hope. And so in this way, that even though Buddhas have appeared in the world, even though the Buddhas have taught the Dharma, but for us sort of unfortunate or unworthy beings, we have not personally encountered the Buddha, and we have not personally heard the Buddha teach. So our only hope, the one we completely rely upon, is you, and so therefore that we supplicate you, precious Lama, and so this is the essential point of the Lama Gyangbu, the calling the Lama from afar. And so in this way, that I also encourage that you to do the Lama Gyangbu in this way, as best and as genuinely as you can.
Chirdan ane lama jangbe re tagana shi chöge ane chawa khandes chenaya ane khazam ane tsikzam mayimbar ane ninkong riveting ne ane tön yila samne ane tsikma khande du chedi ane kejum shira chagido kaza ane kongso choge ane mangbo songsong nge shira shugo marade yinaya ane penna ane nganzo de danda tape recorder de ane nganzo michi gi da ma ke shi record che tangshana korangi ane chik shazan she digre yinaya ko te yela samgyo mare nganzo ya te yela masam chik chikbo phejo tang de na ane nganzo tanda de tape do ane ke ninse me ba tang na ya ane ko chilab jugun mare khan ching khan juan ke dugu mare tena chikbare te inza ane leda chawa kharechena ya nyamle kharechena ya tön yila samne ane chik khandön du chedi 아니 지다 개 첨벌에 쟁기도
So I'd like to also share with you as I think of it, and it's very important that when we engage in any activities that we just don't do it in casually and just in terms of words, and not just leaving it to the level of sort of lip service and without genuine and heartfelt involvement, so would not serve any purpose. Then when it comes to practice of the Dharma, and particularly doing some things like that of the supplicating the Lama, then the key factor is that it just simply is not left to mere gestures and sort of mere parroting of the words, that it has to be, one has to first understand, comprehend the meaning, and then have to allow the meaning to sink in one's mind, and then with heartfelt, from the depth of one's heart, that one has to make supplications. Of course, I certainly don't need to say much along this line, because His Holiness has said enough in most very profound ways. But just let me say, even just as an example, because if it was sufficient only to have the words repeat or the repeated, then we can obviously have the tape recorder sort of rolling or playing, and whatever sort of taped message playing all over or again and again. Of course, it's not getting tired and it can continuously go on, but I doubt that it will actually affect giving rise to genuine devotions of the genuine intended wish or feeling. So in this way, it must be encouraged, must be reminded that we don't leave it to sort of mere external gestures and parroting or lip service, just like a recorded information being played again and again, that it must be from sort of the depth of our heart that we do so in order to bear effect.
다 아니 응시데 아니 슈차와이 아니 다이 공도 슈바나시 아니 넘버 2 냠레 나게 초 이나 아니 대더버 아니 투공 시에네 나로나 쉐이 지단다 나라 아니 망조 된 대더버 아니 망보 나라 아니 셰 아니 테마 당보이 대나라 노와다 추와라 소바 아니 중화이나 아니 공다 쉐이.
So I would like to encourage you to bear this essence of these words in your mind. And also, I must admit that this is my first time addressing such a large gathering. And so if there has been any sort of mistakes, any limitations, I ask for your pardon.
다 담바숨 예나네 다 담바숨 예나네 안에 토마 조와심지기 담바다 바르도 응시 미미기 담바스 딩이디 슈차와이 다 타말 안에 ngo에 담바세디 레다 지다 안에 레다 최기 자와 간데시잖아야 안에 죽 ngo에 안에 참 자고와디 안에 개좀 시라 차고요래 가슈바이나 안에 대더버 안에 개외 자와 제베 안에 소남기 소 사여바디 안에 땡데레 대더버 소남기 소데 안에 추소스 마조와 안에 마준남기 타다니 베심제 탐제 내갑기 동화도 타르도기 동할래 안에 타르와 쇼스면 ngoamallam kyeshana ane ngo di ane soso kaan gewe zawa sa shaba di ane chusus dogu meba imbare tein za ane ngowe sam jar gwa di ane chidang ane ge chumbo shira chagi yobare.
So as I mentioned at the beginning, that in engaging in any Dharma activities or Dharma practice, that one must take into account so-called the three principles, and that is the principle of the aspiration or the motivation, and the principle of the focus on the main practice, and then the final, that of dedication. So, in general, whatever virtue one has accumulated or virtuous activity that one has engaged in, it's essential one makes dedication. In particular, that of when it involves the activity of hearing and contemplating and integrating or practicing the Dharma. And it is of utmost importance that one makes a genuine dedication, because one thing is that there is, of course, substantial merit or virtue to be dedicated, but if one hasn't gone into the actual attitude and the mindfulness of the dedication, and then it's like sort of a wasted accumulation of merit. So in this way, dedication is of tremendous importance.
The jidang ne za chimbo ane doji den dela ane khor mangbo chigla ane nge lama jangbo shetu bade ane ngarang kaba sangbo shira chungson ane mixal ge ane shwala den thanda de schedule ane ngurup sering khon ane jamgun ku khomare daga na shin ane kama ba ane kudin chudu ba ribi doje la ane sungyur ane na yobare ane thare te doba ngala ane kijur ane chetu ba de ane ngarang ge ane kaba sangbo shira yagbo shira chungson ane ngurup sering la tuishe shwen yin. I think it'll be a bit difficult to say this by Ngurup Tsering, because I'll say it to you in English, because Ngurup Tsering had translated for previous Jamgon Rinpoche and also has translated for 16 Kamapa. So I'm telling him, thank you very much for translating for me. So it will be great for all of you to applaud for him. Thank you. Dene khashegi dene lama jangbegi ane lungchi ane dero che song ane khashela ya lungtowi khashela ane lungtowi gi mare dene nge tende chunje juda ane ma lungchi dengi.
So His Eminence said that I feel very fortunate that in this very sacred place of Bodh Gaya, Dorje Den, where the Buddhas have become enlightened, and in a such large gathering, I have this great privilege and opportunity to share some words on the Lama Yangbu and calling the Lama from afar. And before we go further, I understand a number of people here have requested for the reading transmission, the Long of Lama Yangbu. Most of you might have received it. Nevertheless, in connection with this auspicious circumstance, I will do the reading or the Long of Lama Yangbu.
Lama Jambu Sudimigo Nigisha says, what you know, Gorobe, Lama Jamacola, Jalaco, and the Using because in the mind, but Yinka, and the Yalama Lavasang and Bataj, being it to the Demian Lama Junita, Lama Junita, Susan, all the Jig and Patrick, and the other Lama Jane, Janatuchi, the Jungle, and the Migan Legend of Gunza, Lama Jane, Lama, Bamajana to the Chocolate, the Solinico, and the Vision of the Lama Geneso, was so long as the comes to coordinate to the Lama Pimachunican, I have a menace in the woman of the Lama Ages, so you know, catch the journalist that was in the Kadi give Lama Genos, the Jetamangos and the Benimachot, the Kunjatamas, and the Yamicho is again, I got the Lagalon when you get to Jamametos, the Genes, the Chogun was a watch, the Jetamach, the innocent Chocotamajima, and that's a Kuchawaji, Kachi, and another division as the negotiator was an end of the Chizukuma Namagano, the Melones, and Nagaton, to the Simon, Chotobas, and Yamashamaji, and the Sanction, the Taronian, Susan, and Meloton, the Pajadamas and General to be in the and the Tennis George, the Major, the Major Sharapajan, the Jinis, Tennessee, the Damato, the Kunjata, and the innocent poet, Unas and a product to Kudas. Jason Darana, the General Boni, the Jazala Jemer, and the Jalago to Jankins, a moment in the Kini, the Masana General was to be Jazz. Tell us to get to Martin National, which was the Bango, the Lamajan, the gentleman, you miss the Jazzacomata, the years ago, the General, the Jazzakan, yes, you understand, never did the Tomato and Cajala, Jazzello today, and the Janans and the Togo, the Japan, and the Shemin, the Samajan, watching at the Jazz and the Donation, others on the Pandani, the Water in the Bajana decision in the Muganama. Tode the Yamjuma to the Lamajan, the Rise and the saying to came out of the smelling of the Coin and Yamajan using it, watching your Lotoja to miss the Jawata, the Jabba, and the Bullen and the Lamajan, the Jamajan, the Levachin method, the Judda Pada Ryan, you wanted the Chiga, you read the regiment of Lamadan, the watching the Bezaja to the Senator, Chevillage to the Benes, and the Lamajan, the Jago, Metal watching the Magazine, so when you answer the Lamajan, the Singing, watching your others, the Rosa, the Vision, the moments in the German Lamajan. You this around there. I just watching your little bodies of the making with the tablet of Lamachino to you this and as in it watching your Timbers and Academic getting it on the Soviet coach and not only the same change the Senate. Lamachino to you the watching your coin, you want melody with the coach and the Cucus and coach and making the Lamachino to you the late watching your Lusu don't want to meet them in your Latin. You know, Lemongo to the Joamir, the Lamachino to you the Lella is watching your Talatons in your Lachans again, London, the churches to Jimmy, the Benjamin, the woman and Lamachino. You motor watch imagine the Chen and the Jebus and the tradition, the Yamogana, the Lamajano, the Rani, the watching the Rani, Marani, the Bishop, and the Miguel Lama Jam, Lamajano. Ranjo don't watch the Cheres, Jella Papa, the Irradiation, Lamajamagan, Lamajella, Lamajano, the watching like Candles, second and Yamuguni, Tinema, says what you should get the Chelas and Lamajano, the Jesus, the watching the Water, the Chambers, and the Sunjay, the position, the Lamajano, the one you were saying on Lamajano, around the Majors and Asia come to Namla, the Lamajano, the same, you could remember watching around saying, young, but not the choking, you can the watching you way, you come under Ranganeluing, you much Lamajano, to you this runner, watching your young each one, you demand the Bengal. Thinking that another social media, Martin, Lamachino, the Zimatamajingal, only when you met the general to the mail, you join Lamadian, the challenge, the Thomas Challenge, but Tomato to Queen, to Tabel of the Migissim, Lamajino, Tamji Tarjimajino, watching Lamelana, watching the Chawan, watching Lama Pachima, watching Drulutun, watching King Elam, the Lord. Yamboran, the watching Jimmy, watching Sarah, watching Tunachi, the Sages, and watching Yellow, so what is Lamar. But the Tenji Kamedala is a Jelemy to a meter watching yellow through the American Kajing was going to manage the Sunday, the water just in the Lame Sunye, Zimbabwe, the ship, the Betunage by Jeleb, Shubam Zion Tos. Ta Tagaran and Samala and two Shedan and Yanga and Testile Shugi last Tagaran.
And I also like to thank you all for all of you being here, as well as express auspicious greetings or Tashi Delik to you once more.